The Steel Tube Institute is the leading technical resource in North America for steel tube products, providing information to help you utilize hollow structural sections on your projects. We engage with experts to develop the tools and resources you need to bring your project to life. STI's website contains a multitude of resources, including design tools, articles, and webinars to assist professionals in designing and specifying HSS. In this video, we will walk you through the use of STI's capability tool. When you need to know what HSS sections are available for your project, STI's free online capability tool allows you to locate specific sizes of HSS. All of the producers included in the tool are domestic producers of HSS. STI regularly updates the capability tool with current HSS availability. The capability tool is accessed by going to steeltubeinstitute.org and finding the HSS structural tube menu. In the drop-down list, you will see the capability tool and click on that. Within the capability tool, there are search fields for shape, grade, and outside dimensions. 3 HSS material grades are available. Those are A500, A1085, and A1065. And there's one additional mechanical tubing grade available, which is A513. We're going to walk through one example each of a square, rectangle, and round shape. So we'll start with the square. We are going to select A500 for the grade for that. A500 is the most commonly utilized HSS grade in North America. And then we will put in some outside dimensions. So let's say I'm looking for a range of sizes between 3 inches and 9 inches square, and of course that will be the dimension for both sides. I will click Find Producer Capabilities, and this will bring up a grid that tells which of the STI producers have these shapes on their regular production schedule. The legend up here will tell us that a solid dot means that shape is regularly produced. A hollow dot means that that shape is only produced on demand, and a dash means that the shape is not produced. So across the top of our matrix are the outside dimensions, again from 3 to 9 inches, that's the range we selected. And then on the left-hand side we see the wall thicknesses. If we select a particular shape, we will take a look at a 6 by 6 by 1/4 inch tube and click on that spot in the grid. On the right hand side, a list of producers will come up. These are STI member producers who regularly make the shape. Now let's go back to the capability tool and look at another shape. This time we're going to select round, and when I select round you'll see that one of the grades goes away. A1065 is not available in a round shape. So again, we'll stick with the A500 grade, but this time let's take a look at some larger sizes. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. We'll start at an 18 inch and go up to the largest available, which is 28 inches. So again, we're going to pick round A500, and we're looking at a shape between 18 and 28 inches in diameter. Taking a look at the producer capabilities for that will show us that we have 4 different diameters available, and the wall thicknesses are from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. I am going to select an 18 inch diameter by 5/8 inch wall, and 3 of the STI member producers have that available on their regular production schedule. We have a few additional shapes that are only produced on demand. That's the hollow dot. And if we selected the largest 28 inch diameter by 1 inch shape, we have one producer who is capable of making that, and you would contact the producer to have that shape manufactured. And then the dash means that that shape is not produced. Going back to the capability tool, we'll look at the last shape, which is a rectangle. And you'll see when I click on rectangle that we are taken back to the 4 different material grades that are available. Let's take a look at A1065 this time, which is another material grade that has larger dimensions available. So because this is a rectangle now, we have 2 different sides in our dimensions list, the long side and the short side, min and max. Let's take a look at a range from about 34 to 44 inches on the long side, and then maybe about 24 to 30 inches on the short side. And then we'll click on Find Producer Capabilities. And in our matrix, we can see that A1065 materials are typically produced on demand. So we'll take a look at a 38 by 30 by 3/4 inch wall, and the producer that you would contact to make that shows up on the right-hand side. We hope this overview of STI's capability tool has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to the member producers who make these resources possible. To access this program, visit our website at steeltubeinstitute.org.